Oh, it's pretty good.
Turn around. Oh! You know, the good thing about cleaning cabins is finders keepers. Today I harvested a lamp. Also, we've harvested some weights and some magnets and a lot of other treasures. But the first thing you do when you're cleaning a cabin is always start at the top. So you got to clean up here. So let's see what... Oh! I don't think so.
You'll always beside me. You never leave. Every season of life, you're my provider. I know that even when I'm feeling lost at sea, your mighty hand still reaches out for me. Every season of life, you're my provider. You're my provider.
What do you have here, Grace?
I have all of my tunas from the mountainsides.
Wow.
From the cactuses. Very painful job.